Hi all, myself Sri Pradeep Kumar Reddy and I am from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering from the Department of Civil Engineering. Here today we are going to discuss about the e-waste management 2012 amendments in India. And the introduction to e-waste management. E-waste refers to the discarded electronic appliances such as computers, TVs and mobile earphones. The rapid growth of technology has led to an increase in e-waste generation across the globe. Proper e-waste management is crucial to mitigate environmental and health hazards associated with the toxic materials. It means the e-waste refers to the discarded or not using or uh, uh, are discarded such as computers, TVs and old mobile phones or the not usable phones are regarded as the e-waste. And the rapid growth of technology has led to an increase in the e-waste generation across the globe, and India stands on the second place, followed by the China in the first place. And background of e-waste in India. India is one of the largest producers of e-waste in the world, generating millions of tons annually. The informal sector handles a significant portion of e-waste recycling, often without safe practices. This has raised concerns over environmental pollution and health risks. For workers in the e-waste dismantling industries, it means India is one of the largest producers of e-waste in the world, generating millions of tons annually. The informal sector handles a significant portion of e-waste recycling, often without safe practices. This has raised concerns over environmental pollution and health risks for workers in the e-waste dismantling industries. And the e-waste management and handling rules 2011. The e-waste management rules were first introduced in India in 2011 to address e-waste disposal and recycling. These rules mandated the collection and recycling of e-waste by manufacturers and producers. The regulations aim to establish a structured system for e-waste management into the country. And the 2012 amendments overview, or the 2012 amendments revised specific sections of the initial 2011 rules to enhance their effectiveness. Key changes included the broadened definition of e-waste and stricter guidelines for producers. And these amendments aim to strengthen the responsibility of manufacturers in managing e-waste. It means the 2012 amendments or revised specifications for the initial 2011 rules to enhance the effectiveness of the e-waste management in India. And the key changes included in the broader definitions of e-waste and stricter guidelines for producers. And the producer responsibility, it means the extended producer responsibility EPR is the responsibility of every manufacturer to collect back and ensure environmentally safe and sustainable disposal of waste they have ever produced. And producers are now obligated to take back e-waste generated from their products at the end of this life cycle. They must establish a system for the collection and recycling of e-waste from consumers. This shift emphasizes the principle of extended producer responsibility in e-waste management. And the next one is collection and recycling targets. The amendments are sets specific collections and recycling targets for e-waste producers to achieve. These targets encourage manufacturers to develop efficient take-back systems for their products. Compliance with these targets is essential for reducing the amount of e-waste ending up in landfills, because the amount of e-waste ending up in landfills causes the global pollution for the environment. And the amendment set specific collections and recycling targets for e-waste producers to achieve that the waste that they have generated, the mobile phones or the electronics they have produced, and they should take the responsibility for taking them back and for the recycling processes. These targets encourage manufacturers to develop efficient take-back systems for their products. Compliance with these targets is essential for reducing the amount of e-waste ending up in landfills. And the next one is role of informal sector. The informal sector plays a significant role in e-waste recycling in India because the handling a large volume of e-waste. The 2012 amendments acknowledge this sector's existence and aim to integrate it into formal recycling processes. And this integration will help enhance safety measures and environmental standards for e-waste management, because the 2012 amendments are the remade of the 2011 amendments by some more existing amendments, and the revising of those amendments for more achieving success percentage in the recycling of the e-waste in the formal sector, in the informal sector, and acknowledge this sector's existence and aim to integrate into the formal recycling processes. And this integrate will help enhancing safety measures. And the next one is health and environmental protection. The amendments emphasizes the need of safe disposal methods to protect the environment and public health. Proper e-waste handling can significantly reduce hazardous exposure to toxic substances, hazardous exposure to toxic substances, and the awareness programs are essential to educate the stakeholders on the importance of safe e-waste practices. And the next one is challenges in implementation of the e-waste recycling processes. Despite the amendments, challenges remain in effectively implementing e-waste management rules. Issues such as lack of infrastructure, public awareness, and compliance enforcement hinder progress. Continuous monitoring and support from the governments are crucial for successful implementation. And the future of e-waste management in India. The Indian government is focused on improving e-waste management through policy updates and regulations. Collaboration with stakeholders, including manufacturers and NGOs, is essential for effective solutions. Public awareness and educational will play a vital role in fostering responsibilities for the e-waste disposal behaviors in India. And thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it and share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.